So if you call yourself a digital marketer or you are doing digital marketing, you need to understand that, look, there are tools you need to use and there are things you need to understand and know how to use them for your digital marketing to be effective, basically reaching the right audience and making money doing digital marketing, or just getting effective results doing digital marketing. And again, let me just tell you, this is not affiliate program. I'm not trying to promote any of these tools to make some commission or anything. All right, it's just purely me telling you the right tools and the best tools you should use to make your digital marketing efforts more effective and get better results. All right, so let's jump into it and look at these tools. Which tools am I talking about here? So first of all, I have SEMrush and Ahrefs. These are the best tools when it comes to competitive analysis or competitors analysis, outsourcing or trying to find backlinks. All right, making sure you are doing quality keyword research, even writing quality content using AI specifically about your niche. You have these tools, and these tools are going to help you do all of that. All right, so Ahrefs and SEMrush are the best when it comes to search engine optimization and doing competitors analysis, writing SEO content today using their AI platforms, and it's free. You can start using these tools without paying any money. All right, so check them out and try to use them to master how to use these tools. Number 2 on my list is Canva. I know most of you know Canva. Most of you use Canva to create some designs or design some graphics and all that, or even write your ebooks. Canva is just one of the best platforms when it comes to digital marketing. You can use Canva to do a lot of things like lead magnets and all that stuff. There is just so much you can do with Canva when it comes to graphics and creating content, even on videos or GIFs or social media content. All of that, you can use Canva to do that. So check Canva out and use Canva to your own advantage. So number 3 on my list is HubSpot. So most of you will know or hear about HubSpot, but if you are not using it, you have not started digital marketing, period. Just don't say I didn't tell you. Now, this is a platform that allows you to convert your leads into sales. All right, make sure that cold traffic that you're bringing in, those leads, cold leads, you turn them into warm leads, and at the same time convert those people into paying customers. It helps you use all the best CRM platforms or CRM programs that you need to make sure you are marketing right to your customers. And of course, you have all these analytics that tells you about what is going on or what is happening with your campaigns. So HubSpot is one of the best platforms when it comes to CRM and combining sales and also marketing in one platform. So check HubSpot and let me know if you have been using it, how are you using it, and what are your results. I need to know. Let me know in the comment section. Number 4 on my list is Notion. So when it comes to organizing stuff, planning stuff, creating all those plans, you need all those things. You need to have a plan, a calendar plan that you will every day know what you're going to do, which platform are you going to work on, what are you going to actually do on that platform. Notion gives you that ability and flexibility to be able to manage your workflow using an organized platform, so you can be able to organize your activities in a way it will be more effective, so you will know which campaigns you're going to run, what you're going to look at on each given day. So make sure you check Notion out and make sure you try it out and let me know what you think of Notion in the comment section as well. Number 5 is Google Analytics and Search Console. These are Google tools. These are free tools. Google Analytics and Search Console are tools you need to know how to use them, because there is just so much you can use Google Analytics and Search Console to do. Now, let me give you a brief introduction about Google Analytics and Search Console. So Google Analytics helps you integrate your Google ad campaigns into your Google Analytics. Basically, you monitor all the traffic that comes to your store or your website. So here you can understand where your people are coming from, where your customers are coming from, why they are coming and how long they're spending on those pages on your website or your store, so you can be able to make more informed or more effective decisions when it comes to using your data. And when it comes to Search Console, Google gives you every information about your website plus your organic traffic, and you need to use Search Console to kind of have tools like your sitemap integrated into that, and other platforms that you can be able to integrate with Search Console to be able to understand what is happening with your website and your traffic and organic traffic, ultimately to be able to make better use of this platform and convert or get more customers or more traffic, basically using this platform. So make sure you have all these platforms that are mentioned in your arsenal as a digital marketer. Use them more effectively. Let me know what you think about each of these platforms, and if you're using any of them, let me know how the journey have been so far and what you are using them to do and how effective these tools are for you. All right, so these are the tools I wanted to talk about today, but before I go, I have a bonus tip. All right, I always give you the bonus tip. Here is System.io. So one of the best tools to create landing pages, funnels, and every other thing that has to do with course and run affiliate platforms is System.io. This tool just gives you so much. You need to check System.io and let me know what you think about the tool. There is just so much you can do with the tool, and you can start using it for free. All the tools I have mentioned here, you can start using these tools for free, so check it out. Let me know which ones you have been using, which one is your best, and which one are you going to start using today in the comment section. And again, if you like this video, make sure you like it, you share it, you subscribe, so you won't miss future videos I make about digital marketing or helping you sell digital products online, basically. So thank you for watching. Please forgive me, my voice is cracking. I can't just explain much about what's happening. I think it's getting better, but let me know what you think, and let's keep it up and keep coming back, and let's see how we can help each other grow online. All right, so see you in my next video. Thank you.